Tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Phone Stop. Today we've got something exciting, the unboxing of the brand new Techno Spark 20 Pro Plus. I can't wait to dive into this sleek device and see what it has to offer. But before we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with the latest tech content. Now let's get into it. As we open the box, the first thing we see is a neatly placed tempered glass, a thoughtful addition to keep that display protected. Next up, we have a cleaning paper to ensure our screen is crystal clear. And check out this white transparent silicone pouch. A classy touch for protection without hiding that beautiful design. As we dive deeper, we find the powerhouse, a high-powered C-type charger. Techno is making sure you get the juice you need at top speed. No more waiting around for your device to charge. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the Techno Spark 20 Pro Plus itself. Flipping it over, we're greeted by a fully leather-backed design, scratch-proof, meaning it can handle the everyday hustle without a worry. This phone not only looks good, but is also durable. Take a look at how slim this device is. Techno has nailed it with a design that's not just eye-catching, but also comfortable to hold. Perfect for those on-the-go moments. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Techno Spark 20 Pro Plus boasts high-resolution cameras that promise stunning visuals. Whether you're capturing detailed shots or recording high-quality videos, this phone has got you covered. But that's not all. Check this out. It comes with a microscopic camera that allows you to capture moments in the rear distance. Perfect for those scenic shots or capturing action from afar. Now let's talk about security. The fingerprint sensor on this phone is not just a security feature, it's a speed demon. It's quicker than my expectations, ensuring you can access your phone in a blink. To wrap it up, the Techno Spark 20 Pro Plus is impressing me at every turn. From the thoughtful accessories in the box to the leather back design, high-resolution cameras, and a lightning-fast fingerprint sensor, it's ticking all the right boxes for daily use. Stay tuned for the in-depth review where we'll put this device through its paces. If you enjoyed this unboxing, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, techies.